Hello guys, new tutorial. I will show you how to install Nginx on Ubuntu 18.05. First we must add the key for Nginx. So let's open terminal and start. Let's copy the first command. And now let's add the key. So okay, the key we have like a response. Okay, so we have the key now, and let's execute this command. And now we must update. So we had to add Nginx on /apt/source.list. Okay, and now let's install. And yes to continue. And now we can check the version. So this is the version. And to start Nginx with this command, systemctl status Nginx. So Nginx service is active now. So this is the end of the video. I hope that it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment. See you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.